This is NAB Show Live.
I'm Chris McWatt for NAB Show Live, produced by Broadcast Beat, and I'm here with Eddie Boyette. Eddie, your company is?
Lumens Integration.
But you have your most popular product you're holding in your hand right now.
Yes, this is our VC-A50PN. This camera has the built-in NDI technology that has made workflow for broadcasters much easier across the board.
And how did you come up with that technology? Was it consumer feedback? Was it your own technicians? How did you come up with that?
This was a product that was developed by Newtek, and we had the opportunity to put this in our camera to help all of our consumers use the NDI platform.
And who are Lumens Integration Inc's most popular clients? Who are you getting this out to?
Yeah, we actually operate in all vertical markets, everywhere from the corporate vertical, house of worship, the broadcast vertical, obviously. So anybody that has any need for basically any type of PTZ camera, we can provide the camera with the technology, the connectivity to make it all work together.
Can you give me some of the specs on the camera?
Sure, yeah. So this particular camera has a 20x optical zoom. It also has multiple video outputs, IP, HDMI, 3G SDI, all of which are hot simultaneously. The camera can be controlled via RS-232 over VSCA protocol and RS-422. Again, it's kind of our top of the line right now NDI model that we have, and it's been very popular for us.
So this is the one that's selling the best now. What's the future for Lumens?
We have some new products that we're showing here in the booth today. We have some 4K model box cameras. We also have a 30x optical IP camera that will also have the built-in NDI technology, which we're very excited about.
So Lumens Integration Inc. here at NAB Show Live. I'm Chris McWatt, produced by Broadcast Beat.